Now that we have the logic to successfully create an order, the last functionality that we want to work on is actually implementing the order payment. If we go to our orders API and if we examine the order header, you will notice that the payment flag is false. We do not have anything to process the payment. Now I won't actually be implementing a custom payment logic here. We will just have a dummy flag that will be called to process the payment. But we want to make sure that we want to implement the payment module with the service bus communication. This will be similar to what we have done. This will be almost similar to what we have done for the shopping cart and order communication, but it's good to practice. So we will implement this module. For that, let me stop the application here and let me close everything. We will go to Solution Explorer and we will first be creating a new project. For payment processor, you can usually use third-party tools like Stripe, or for a large-scale project with microservices, usually they have their own custom implementation. In that case, when you are storing the credit card and the sensitive information, make sure you follow the PCI compliance. That being said, here we will be adding a new folder and we will call that as payments. Inside payments, we will be adding a new project. This will just be a class library project. Let me do that. And we will call that payment processor. We will change the class name here to process payment. And we will add an interface here for the same. Inside the interface, we will just have one method, which will be Boolean payment processor. So let's implement that right here. I process payment. Inside the method here, you can have a custom logic to implement the payment gateway with PCI compliance and so on. For our purpose, we will just return true. So our payment module should call this payment processor. It will just return true, and whatever it returns, we will update our payment status inside the order details. That is the custom flow that we want. For that, we will have to add a new service in our services folder for the payment API. Let's do that in the next video.